Hi, Ms. Johnson. I'm not feeling very confident, to be honest. I understand the grammar and vocabulary, but when it comes to speaking, I freeze up and can't find the right words.
Don't worry, Jake. You're not alone in this. Many students face similar challenges. I believe the key to improving your speaking skills is to start thinking in English.
Thinking in English? How do I do that? My thoughts are always in my native language.
It's perfectly normal to think in your native language, but we need to gradually shift our thinking to English. It's like rewiring your brain. Let's try a fun exercise. Imagine you're walking down the street, and you see a cat. Now, describe the cat to me in English, as if you're talking to a friend.
Okay. The cat is, furry and brown with green eyes. It looks playful.
Good start, Jake. You're describing it in English. Now, whenever you see something, try to describe it in your mind using English words. Practice this regularly, and it will become more natural with time.
That sounds doable. I'll give it a shot. But what about when I'm not looking at something?
Great question. When you're not looking at something, try to narrate your thoughts in English. It can be anything from planning your day to reflecting on what you've learned. It helps you get used to expressing your thoughts in English.
So, I should talk to myself in English?
Absolutely. It might feel strange at first, but it's an effective technique. You can even try having a conversation with yourself about a topic you're interested in. That way, you'll practice both speaking and staying engaged in the conversation.
I can just imagine people's faces if they catch me talking to myself in English.
Well, it might be a bit amusing, but remember, practice makes perfect. You can also find language exchange partners or join English-speaking groups to have real conversations.
That sounds interesting. I'll look into it. But what if I make mistakes? I don't want to embarrass myself.
Making mistakes is a natural part of learning, Jake. Don't be afraid of them, instead, embrace them as opportunities to improve. Native speakers will appreciate your efforts, and they'll be happy to help you. Remember, every mistake is a stepping stone to success.
You're right. I need to be more confident. But sometimes, I get stuck on finding the right words.
It's okay to stumble sometimes. Instead of searching for the exact words, try paraphrasing or using simpler words to convey your message. The more you practice, the more words you'll learn, and your vocabulary will expand.
I guess I need to be patient with myself.
Absolutely, Jake. Learning a language takes time and dedication. Celebrate every small achievement, and don't forget to have fun with the process.
Thanks, Ms. Johnson. You always make learning English seem so enjoyable.
You're welcome, Jake. I have faith in your abilities. With persistence and thinking in English, you'll soon see significant progress in your speaking skills. Keep up the good work.
I will, Ms. Johnson. Thanks for the encouragement.
Anytime, Jake. Now, let's start the lesson. Remember, we're all in this together, and I'm here to support you every step of the way. Let's make learning English an exciting journey.
I'm ready. Let's do this.
We hope you thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. If you're eager to further enhance your English skills, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel.